Hey there, and thank you for clicking to watch this video. My name is Regina. If you're new here, karibu sana. Kama wewe ni member, thank you for always clicking to watch my videos. Today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I made very simple shelf that you can use either kwa kitchen, bathroom, wapi, balcony, anywhere that you want. It's very multifunctional and it doesn't have to be in the kitchen, but purposely I was doing this one for the kitchen. So first things first, if you don't have any tools, don't worry. As I said in another video, always make sure you have your tape measure so that you can get the measurement that you want. Ukienda kwa hardware store utakatiwa tu the sizes of the wood that you want, si lazima ujikatie. So this is one of those examples. If you don't have a jigsaw if you don't have a hacksaw, but you still have your tape measure, you are good to your tape measure and your hammer, you're good to go. So first things first, I'm going to sand the whole pieces down before I join them together. Previously I've made a mistake of joining them together, then I sand, but it's not a good, I will not advise that to anyone. So first sand the pieces together, then join them. If you don't have a sandpaper, you can still use your normal, if you don't have a sander, you can still use your normal sandpaper. It works the same as long as you get the right grid that you want. So yeah, to join them together, I'm using wood glue and nails. One thing that I want to just say, I'm learning as I grow. So initially I used to buy my wood glue for almost 200 bob. Then I realized there is this brand, they are selling their glue for less than 70 shillings and it works the same. So this is a new plug. If you get this one, hope they won't sell for you expensive, but it goes for 70 shillings. And you can also get your nails per kg. They sell from kg 50 bob depending on the inch. For my nails, I'm using 1.5 inch. Kama kawaida, if you're not subscribed to my channel and you enjoy such content, please remember to give this your video a thumbs up, share to your friends, cousin, relative, exes, futures, share, comment, and also remember to subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you are the first people to be notified. Thank you for subscribing. Nimono me subscribe. Thank you for subscribing. This project is very special to me because first, this is the first time I'm working with hardwood, specifically mahogany, and I really enjoy it. It is very hard to carry, like nimzito, but the whole experience is really enjoyable. I really enjoy it. So because my client was not very specific the type of wood anataka nitumie, so I ended up using the mahogany. So I would recommend that maybe for furnitures but for shelf kitu light, you can just use the normal soft wood. I don't know if you can tell, but the two shelves are very different. Uko at the center, that is by design. Moja ni kubwa, ingine ni ndogo, because purposely I was going to design them. One that can fit bigger container and the other one that can fit the smaller containers. So I'm going to use wood filler to fill the spaces zenye naona. My goal for this one is to make sure by the time nimalize and I paint and everything, hautaona kama the two pieces are joined together. So that's why I'm going to use wood filler, but basically you can use this filler to just fill some holes. And another thing I want to say, if you're going to buy any supplies, any DIY supplies, make especially wood filler, wood glue. Make sure you check out for the expiry date. Unfortunately, my wood filler is going to expire by the end of this month. This is September, and I just bought it this month, so you can imagine like a pinch that I'm feeling in this economy. But anyway, I digress. We will figure out. So I'm going to just apply it kwenye lola cooler space, atakasifile apply, just to make sure by the time inakuja ku expire I won't feel the kauchungu of buying the whole container na expire na itafanya. Normally takes like 30 minutes to dry vizuri. So after it dry, nita sandpaper, nita sand kabisa, then we do the first coat and the painting.
Sitting lonely in my room again, trying to find the words to say, but nothing comes out.
You can also follow me on my other social media platform, that is TikTok and Instagram. Those are my handles. And also, if you have any question or you would want me to do the same kind of shelf for you or any other work, just DM me on my Instagram.
Emotions I built up inside, oh why can't I? Will someone look for me if I disappear? No matter.
So another tip that I learned, if you're going to buy your wood filler, make sure you get a lighter shade than the piece of wood that you're going to use. For me, I picked a very lighter shade because most of the wood project that I do, they are very light, so it made more sense for me to pick a lighter shade based on other project as compared to this one project.
There will be a time. There will be a time. Sitting lonely in my room again, acting like I'm innocent. Why do I try? 'Cause now I'm feeling like a fool again, thinking I can fool myself by telling me lies. When there's so many things that I keep in my mind, I hang around people I don't even like. If they can be happy and walk with a smile, oh why can't I? Will someone look for me if I disappear? No matter how much that I scream, nobody hears. But I see the light from far away, it's down the line. Maybe I should not give up without a fight. 'Cause there will be a time. Oh, 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 oh. There will be a time. Oh, 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 oh. There will be a time. Will someone look for me if I disappear? No matter how much that I scream, nobody hears. But I see the light from far away, it's down the line. Maybe I should not give up without a fight. 'Cause there will be a time.
Blue, the feeling behind my eyes. You stood out 'cause you were in red. Then, against my intentions, I let you turn me violet instead. Summer high, met you in August. New York, back to my cold apartment. Distance sucks, but at least I'm still with you. White out skies, middle
after that is done, if you want to mount the shelf, you can just do some holes. You can do 2 or 3 depending on how long your shelf is, but for this one I went with 3, but the second one I did just 2 holes and it works. It's iko imeshika vizuri kwa ukuta. I didn't have to do another one. So just mark where you want the nini to go, the screws to go, and drill some pilot holes. So to mount it on the wall, I'm using 2-inch long screws and some wall plug. I would love to show you the results as aesthetically pleasing, but it's not, so it is what it is. Hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have not subscribed, remember to do so. You can also enjoy some of my other content down below. Also, as I said earlier, this shelf you can still use them for other purposes. It does not necessarily have to be the kitchen. Hope you stay blessed and see you in the next video. Bye.